Hello guys, good day to you. My name is Chukwemeka Miracle and welcome to today's video on the Crypto Forts channel. Alright, so in today's video, I'll be telling us about one latest update in crypto space. Okay, so far so good. African projects haven't really been that noticeable, especially in the Web3 field, you understand. Most of the projects that have been ongoing have been from outside the shores of Africa. But this project I'm about to show you, it is for Africa by Africans, all right? It's a Web3 project that was developed by a couple of Nigerians and some other individuals. The name of the project is Cassava, all right? The name of the project is Cassava. Here's the app over here. So, just in your free time, just check out, just research a little bit on Cassava. Let me open. I have a what's it called? I have a web page already. This Cassava is building Africa's Web3 platform focused on entertainment, NFTs, gaming, and loyalty rewards with the aim of mass adoption and acceleration. This is what I'm just reading off. This is where I'm reading that now. Okay, so far so good. This project, it says it's a blockchain infrastructure solution. Look at this over here. It says, look at this. See, Cassava Network is a blockchain infrastructure solution that builds several disruptive DeFi and NFT solutions for crypto enthusiasts based in Abuja, Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria. Okay, so if you do more research on what the Cassava Network is, you will see these are the people they've partnered with. It says they've partnered with over 70 powerhouses, and there was what I wanted to show you. They raised over $8 million in funding, in a two-stage funding. They raised over $8 million. And now, to drive the mass adoption of cryptocurrency, Cassava is paying people, all right, to get to earn in USDT through various functions, through various carrying out various tasks and what's not. You understand? So what you just do is, I'll drop the referral link. You understand? Because you have to have a referral link for the app to be open, for you to be able to open the app. You understand? So I'll drop the referral link in the description of this video. Then once you just click on the referral link, then you download it. Either you are using the iOS or you're using Android, you download it. After you downloaded it, you open the app, you put in your details, you put in your password, then the app, this will be the home page you would get. Okay, now there are various ways to earn money on this platform. Okay, then this is USDT. This USDT is actual real USDT. If you earn it, you can send it to your Trust wallet, to your Binance wallet, and you sell it. You understand? People are getting. I have 870 coin tokens. It's called CB coin tokens. You understand? So what you just do is, if you come home, then you see, just play around the site. You understand? Just play around the site. Now there's quiz to earn. You get to answer quizzes on them. Let's open it. Let me show you what it means. There's quiz to earn. Let me see if it's open. Okay, there's move to, it's open. You get in this quiz to earn. Now you'll be asked quizzes on different niches in the blockchain industry. You'll be asked questions, I believe, on NFTs, on DeFi, on Bitcoin, and let's just open. Let me see. Let me just show you what it is you're going to do. I don't want this video to be too long. Where's my network acting up? All right. It has opened. It's a daily quiz, something, as you can see. Look at what it's writing over here. It's showing me. Come over here. It's showing me. Try tomorrow. As you can see it over here. It's showing me try tomorrow. So it's every 24 hours. You understand? Now, let's see. Let's just forget about the rules. You know what a quiz is, right? Good. Then you come. There's move to earn. There's refer to earn. There's check-in to earn. This one is, we check in every 24 hours or 12 hours, I believe. Once you check in, you get a coin. You get a specific number of tokens. Now there's a threshold you will get. I've already checked in successfully. Then I have to check in tomorrow. There's a threshold you get to, and you can convert the coins into USDT and withdraw it. Then there's move to earn. This, you just move about, like, to keep fit. You understand? If you move 3,000 steps, you get 200 of those tokens. All right, if you move 3,000 steps, you get 200 of those tokens. No, 10,000 steps. Sorry, if you move 3,000 steps, you get 100 of those tokens. This is this one will be very very good for people like us that work a lot. We're not really mobile per se, so we're always on the move, getting from one place to the other. Just start it and then go about your daily activities for the day. Before the end of the day, I'm sure you'd have gotten at least at most 10,000 steps or 5,000 steps, depending. Okay, so what else? There's refer to earn. You get your friends to come into the platform. Just it's not you don't even necessarily need to mine. You understand? You don't necessarily need to mine. And now the sweet thing about this token is it's an African token. Okay, for now there are people they are coming up. They are coming up. Imagine from now, let's say for instance now you get about total of these tokens. You get about say 20,000 of these cassava tokens, and by next year's bull run, when Bitcoin halving and the whole bull run comes, each one is being sold for let's say 50 cents. 50 cents times 10,000 tokens, that will give you about $5,000. Let's say it's even sold for 20 cents or just even 10 cents, and you have about 10,000 of it. That's about $1,000 free money that you not even labor or stress for. Just carry out your normal usual activities and you are getting it. Okay, then there's the newbie task. If you complete the task, you get 400. The tasks are not they are not difficult at all. Just follow them on Twitter, like, comment. The basic thing that we do in airdrops, you understand, when we're hunting for airdrops, those basic stuff we do there, that's what the whole task are. Let it open. Let me just show you to you. All right, guys, this is what you just need to do to claim. If you join their Discord server, you follow them on Twitter, you join Cassava Network on Telegram, you retweet a tweet by the network, and then you retweet a tweet by Twitter. Then once you've done all this, just come and what's this? So guys, once you've done all this, just come here, click on if you've joined the network, you click on verify, or if you want to join, just click on join. Then after joining, you click on verify, you come here, do the same, click on follow, verify, you come here, do the same, click on join, you click on verify, come here, do the same, click on retweet, click on verify, you come here, do the same, click on retweet, click on verify, and they'll give you 500 Cassava tokens. All right, so just do that for all this. Then check in each day when you open the app. Every 24 hours, you get 20 of this. You carry out the quiz. Like I said, my own is till tomorrow because it's till 24 a daily quiz. Then you do move to earn and all this. Then if you refer each person you refer, you get 200 of these Cassava tokens. And now there's a wallet actually. They have a wallet. They have the on-chain wallet. And let me see. There's the on-chain wallet. This is my wallet address. Then if you click on create wallet, you can connect or you create. Now if you click on connect wallet, you can connect it to your MetaMask, your Trust wallet, your Coin Market Cap wallet, or any wallet you have. You understand? If you want to create a fresh new wallet, you click on create and you create a fresh new wallet. Then there's the off-chain wallet also for USDT, and also your transactions will appear here. So guys, one sweet thing about this Cassava is that it's a very very virgin project, in the sense that it hasn't really what will I call it now? It hasn't really started pushing so much weight yet, which it will in the future. But for us now, just getting into this system right now, it's like repositioning right before Bitcoin rose to over $19,000, $25,000, and over $60,000. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Keep subscribing to our channel. Keep sharing our videos. If you have any questions, if you have any issues, if you have any confusions, or you need clarification, or you need help in anything, do well to send me a comment. Do well to post it in the comment section of the video. Till I come your way next week, or sorry about that, not next week. Till I come your way in our next video, my name is Chukwemeka Miracle, and this is to your success in the crypto space.